Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your REDMI Buds 6 Lite. And before we starting, I want to show you that I customized the gesture. I changed for the single press, double press, triple press, and press and hold just the left one. So now I will show it to you how it works. The touch areas located right here and right here. So I put it to my ear and I will show it to you what I'm doing. Now, if I press one time on my left or right earbud, I will play or pause the song. So I press one time and I pause the song, I press one more and I play the song. If you press two times on your right earbud, you will increase the volume. Here we go, and if you press two times on your left earbud, you will lower the volume. Here we go. Now, if you press three times on your right earbud, you will play next track. Oh, excuse me, I don't know why it's pause all the time. So 1, 2, 3. Now it increases the volume, 1, 2, 3. And now I play the next track. And if you press three times on your left earbud, you will play previous track. Here we go. Also, if you press and hold on your left earbud, you will call your assistant. I have iOS, so I call a Siri, and if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press and hold. And I call a Siri, but no, it's not set up here, but it works, as you can see. And the last one. You can also have a noise control. So right here, let's turn off it. And now if I press and hold on my right earbud, I will enable noise cancellation. Now if I press and hold more on my left earbud, I will enable transparency mode. And if I press the last time, press and hold, I will turn off it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.